Holy shit. Motherfucker!
The Perry Project.
Babe, you are doing so good. Can you bear hug that watermelon as hard as you can and pretend it's me? I am going to do the same.
Hang on, babe. Yeah. Gina! Can't wait till you get your ass over here. Baby, I love you. Get here now. Holy shit. Motherfucker! God damn it! You fucking bitch! Oh, fuck. The hair right off my head. Holy shit. Fuck this shit, god damn it. Fuck this fucking record. We're done. We're done. Oh, bitch. I don't need this fucking record. Stream's over, you guys. This is it. We're done. I don't even. Here's the other side of the watermelon. There's my hat. This is fucking bullshit. I'm pissed. We're done. Over and out. End this fucking stream right now. We are done. We're done. Over and out.
You got to come back and say goodbye.
I got watermelon all over the fucking place. Motherfucker. Good night. Over and out. Thank you. Good night.
Congratulations on 1992.
Oh, fuck you.
Congratulations on 1992.
Fuck you.
Congratulations on 1992. Congratulations on 1992. Congratulations on 1992. Congratulations on 1992.
Fuck you. Fuck you. I got watermelon everywhere, motherfucker. Fuck off and fuck you. Pieces of shit. Listen, motherfucker! I got watermelon all over me! And I got watermelon everywhere! So you better wrap this shit up right the fuck right now!
Okay, can we wrap it up by you sitting down?
Son of a bitch! Yeah! Fucking asshole! Fuck you and fuck everything else about this! Stupid watermelon record. It was fucking stupid anyway. God damn it.
You've never played drums and that's obvious because you have absolutely no rhythm or talent at it. You're more talented at jerking off men like Randy.
Eat me, you fucking prick! Go fuck yourself, you cocksucker! Fuck you and fuck all your stupid shit! You're despicable garbage!
You're abusing your privilege and wasting the watermelon that somebody less fortunate can eat. Also, silly old man, you should wear safety glasses.
You son of a bitch! Go fuck yourself! Fuck you! And get up and goddamn street! You motherfucker! End this right the fuck now!
Congratulations! You destroyed our watermelon and will now incur heavy fines. Tips will be seized in after hours. Congratulations! Congratulations!
I don't owe you shit.
Congratulations 1992 Congratulations 1992 Congratulations 1992 Congratulations 1992
My goddamn stream! We're done. We're done. We're done. We are done.
Perry,
Fuck
be
you.
careful. That watermelon
Fuck
might
you. I'm
burst.
hitting restart right the fuck now. I'm hitting restart right now, you fucking losers. Good night. I'm not even gonna be able to read my fucking plugs. If you don't hit those plugs right now, I'm hitting restart.
No,
One.
hold on. Wait, no, hold on.
Restart. 2.
Hold on.
You got 1 second left, motherfucker. Thank you, you piece of dog shit.
Congratulations on going melon crazy. You have melon madness. Let's get a 666 in the chat. That watermelon was amazing. Good
We're
job,
done!
baby.
No more demon bullshit, I'm done!
Satan's
Perry, please sit down. Please sit down.
It's demonic! I'm not watching any of this demonic shit!
That watermelon just did an impersonation of Randy's
What
cock
does
and
it take to
exploded
get off
in
the
your
fucking
face.
computer?
Congratulations.
We're done! We're fucking done! Good night, you fucks! Get these motherfuckers off my fucking computer right the fuck now! Get
Perry,
them off!
here's $5 to try the record again.
Like a
Also $5 for Tom. Hashtag tips for Toom.
That's nice of you, thank you.
Congratulations on the stream, Perry.
We're done.